This is an urgent video that you cannot afford to miss, so let's get right to the point. Today, something unsettling has come to light. Why? Well, there may be trouble brewing for Shiba Inu. We've noticed a significant drop in its large transaction volume. On-chain data shows that whale Shiba transaction volume has plummeted below 500 billion in the last 24 hours and is now sitting at just a little over 365 billion. This decline could be related to the Shiba Inu whale alert that just provided some unsettling information. It spells significant liquidity issues and even a potential price reversal shortly. To make matters worse, the number of large transactions has also dropped to a 7-day low. Only 15 transactions were recorded, a stark contrast to the 7 days high of 75 transactions we saw last week. This dip in large transactions is a red flag. Large transactions typically indicate whale activity, which can heavily influence the market. A decrease in these transactions suggests that big players are pulling back, possibly due to a lack of confidence or a shift in market sentiment. This kind of change can lead to reduced liquidity, making it harder to buy or sell large amounts of Shiba without impacting the price. If this trend continues, we might observe a further decline in Shiba's price mix of the market as a whole. Price charts also show that Shiba's price action has formed a descending wedge pattern, signaling potential challenges ahead. This pattern often suggests the potential for volatility and, in many cases, a bullish breakout if the price breaks above the upper trend line. However, Shiba's current situation presents a more complex picture. The price has been consolidating and struggling to rise above key moving averages, which function as resistance levels in this unsettling environment. Many people believe that the entire market is essentially waiting for Bitcoin, as the cryptocurrency is getting very close to its previous all-time high, and until Bitcoin breaks this high, we won't see any major movements in the market. What does this mean for Shiba Inu? If Bitcoin breaks through and pushes past its all-time high, it might spark a wave of optimism and buying across the cryptocurrency market. On the other hand, if Bitcoin struggles to break through or undergoes a significant correction, we might continue to see pressure on Shiba's price. It is thought that the next few days are critical. If Bitcoin shows strength and breaks through and moves past its previous high, we might expect a bullish breakout for Shiba Inu, especially if it manages to climb above its key moving averages. Trend trading around the bottom. Investors should closely monitor Bitcoin's performance as it approaches its descending wedge, because it will probably set the tone for Shiba and the larger market in the near future. To add to the excitement, yesterday saw the holding of a major Bitcoin conference featuring none other than Donald Trump as a speaker. Exactly what we needed. A member on X expressed excitement, saying, "Bitcoin all-stars aligned. A buy signal has just appeared on the weekly time frame. This is a very significant signal that indicates the impact the conference had on the price of Bitcoin and its overall movement." Bullish atmosphere looking ahead. If this positive sentiment continues, we could see Bitcoin breaking through its previous all-time high and setting new records. This would likely have a ripple effect on the entire crypto market, including Shiba Inu. However, the crypto market is notoriously volatile. And while the current indicators are promising, it's crucial to stay cautious and watch how the situation unfolds in the coming weeks. With this optimistic outlook for Bitcoin, it's important to remember the strong correlation between